Well, hunting this pond with a lot of snow geese. And should be coming in here to loaf. Back from the feeds this morning. I don't know how many were in here.
Mondo feeds.
Probably, I don't know, 100,000 plus or so. I don't know. You say it. It's there, whatever. That's the game plan. Shoot him in the face.
Shoot him a little bit. Shoot him.
A little more wind might be nice, but here we are. Can't shoot him in the lodge, can you? Hey, Brian.
What do you think about today?
Right. Oh, wait, I can't swear.
Take two and cut. Go. In your life.
And he doesn't care.
Not good. Stuck on the beach.
Yeah, let's get on the back. Try it again.
Round two.
In drive.
Hit her. That wasn't fun.
I don't know if you can see this great texture I have, really exfoliating with the Colorado sand beard that I'm rocking for camo today.
Take that off and put it in.
Got a bunch of shells. Shot more shells than geese.
That's for sure. A lot more shells than geese.
Where? On the shore over there.
Is that it?
I guess.
Right over here. That was awesome. Probably one of the coolest hunts I've been on yet.
Don't get the truck stuck again.
Oh God.
No. No.
It's still moving, no. Oh, he's done.
Oh, he's stuck again.
He's done.
Stop spinning. His four-wheel drive is FUBAR. Up beyond all recognition. No worky.
How many did you shoot?
17.5.
17 and a half. Well, here's the pile from today. How many did we end with? Do you know?
58 total.
58 darks and nice assortment of snows.
With a little Rossi here on the end. Got a little Ross goose there.
We're gonna go do some cleanup. We got a big spread to clean up and birds all over the place. Head back to the lodge and get bloody. Time to do some work and make some dinner. I think goose poppers is gonna be on the menu.